What's up, guys? It's James here, and we're going to be doing the kTM 85 SX sound test. Here we go. Let's start it up. Let's see if I can get this first kick. Pull this thing out and kick it like a man. Boom, first try. Let me know in the comments if the sound's pretty good. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna be doing a video on my track, and it's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna be ripping around, and I'm gonna film some videos. I'm gonna be at Murphy's motocross track. It's gonna be sick. So thank y'all for watching. See ya!